Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change dub language on Crunchyroll app. So if you wanna learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to change dub language on Crunchyroll app, first of all go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app. After you do that, you will be appeared with the home screen of Crunchyroll app. Now go ahead and tap on browse, which is probably the third option available at the bottom of the page. So go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll be appeared with the screen. So now go ahead and tap on that little logo just beside 3 consecutive line, which is in the top right. And then here you can see under language, you can see 3 different options that says all, subtitled and dubbed. Here we are changing the dub language into subtitled. So here all the videos or animes that you see on the Crunchyroll app will be subtitled now instead of being dubbed. And then the last procedure here is tapping on update filters. Then there you go. Now all the videos you see inside the Crunchyroll app will be available subtitled. So that's how we can change the dub language. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with a new tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.